Hey guys, this is Dan Castro with Investor Underground. I'm sitting here in the lush green forest on a river that flows into a waterfall called Kuza Falls. Very close to Eugene, Oregon, and about an hour away from Bend, Oregon. Anyway, last night I was sitting in a beautiful park overlooking the Deschutes River in Bend, Oregon. It's across the street from the hotel I'm staying at. And I was just laying there taking a nap just on this beautiful lush green carpet. And I was awakened by two homeless people arguing. And when I sat up, it turns out they were arguing over $10. And the one guy was shouting, "Give me back my $10." And the other guy was shouting back, "You want me to give you another black eye, dude?" And one guy was chasing the other guy up this green grassy hill I was laying on, and I was so annoyed by this I almost called out to the guy that was chasing the other guy and said, "Hey, how about if I just give you $20 to shut up and go away? You're only chasing $10, right? Let me give you $20 and just relax and live your life." And I thought, well, that would solve the problem, because $20 is nothing to me and it would mean everything to him. And as I was sitting there, I didn't have any money, so I couldn't actually do that. My money was back at the hotel, and all I had was a book that I was reading before I fell asleep. And as I was thinking about this, it occurred to me that the universe looks at humans and our petty disputes over money much the same way. And I realized that if we only knew that the flood of wealth, the flood of money, the flood of power that the universe wants to give us and is trying to give us every day, we would never bicker and quarrel and squabble over $300, $450, $750. We would never argue over $500,000 or even $1 million. And as I was sitting here at this particular little waterfall today, I was overwhelmed with the thought that that's exactly what's going on in the universe. The universe laughs at us when it sees us fighting over small sums of money, chump change, as it were, in the eyes of the universe, and just begs us to shut up and relax, and it will abundantly bless us like a mighty river of wealth and money and power flowing through us. All of our needs will always be provided, and more abundantly. Look at this. Look at this. And this is just one of millions of rivers and waterfalls that spread throughout the planet. And I'm filled with peace and confidence that I don't need to squabble and bicker and fight and fuss and cuss over peanuts and chump change that somebody stole $10 from me, or $100 or $1,000 or even $1 million. Because look at this. This is what the universe wants to provide for me and is providing for me if I will just open up my soul and all of my senses to receive it. I usually throw foam buses at our new members when they come to a first meeting of Investor Underground, and I say, never fret about a deal that you lost. Never fret, never get angry because somebody stole your deal or the deal fell through at closing or before closing, because deals are like buses. If you wait 5 minutes, there's going to be another deal behind it. And sometimes I forget that lesson myself, and so this is a powerful, powerful reminder. The two homeless guys that I saw squabbling yesterday is a powerful, powerful reminder that I need not fret over the loss of a few $100s, a few $1,000s, or even a few $1 million. Even though to me it seems like a tremendous amount of money, just like to the homeless guy $10 seemed like a tremendous amount of wealth. The lesson learned is relax, sit back. The universe has tremendous blessings and abundant wealth that it is about to overwhelm you with. That's the lesson learned for today, guys. This is Dan Castro from Investor Underground. Peace out.